Akili, 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 Akili. Today, Akili's little brother was so angry. He was swinging his arms and screaming. Akili wanted to make her brother happy. She tried giving him a toy. She even tried giving him some colors. But nothing worked. She will try again tomorrow. But for now, Akili is very tired. It's time for her to go to bed. Good night, Akili. There's someone in the forest who sounds very upset.
Let's go and look. I'm angry!
Oh, it's Miss Green. And she is so angry.
Hello? I am angry! Angry? What's angry?
Angry is a feeling. You might feel angry if your friends don't want to share things with you, or when you are treated unfairly.
Aha! Angry! Why are you so angry?
Miss Green tells them why she is angry. Every day, the birds come and steal sticks. And every day, she becomes more and more angry.
Let's help! Yes! Good idea!
What a good idea, little lion. You can talk to the birds and help Miss Green.
Let's go! Oh! Look! Hello, Father Bird. Bird?
These are birds, a whole bird family.
Aha! Bird! Hello, Father Bird! Hello, birds! Oh! Look!
Father Bird is making a nest for the babies, and he's using Miss Green's sticks.
Aha! Miss Green! Let's go to Miss Green. Hello, Miss Green. Look! Bird! No birds! Go away! I'm angry!
The birds have been taking sticks without asking. Taking things without asking can make someone very angry.
Birds, tell Miss Shrub you're sorry.
The birds need to say sorry to Miss Green.
Yes, say sorry.
Akili's friends are helping the birds explain to Miss Green that they need the sticks to build a nest for the babies.
Babies.
I understand.
Miss Green now understands why the birds need sticks. And so she is no longer angry.
Yes, Miss Green, birds are friends. Oh, look!
Akili has seen a stick lying on the ground. Maybe the birds can use the sticks that have fallen to the ground.
Yeah! Great idea! Good job, Akili!
Yes, good idea.
Miss Green and the birds think this is a great idea. Good job, Akili. Now when the birds come, Miss Green will tell them to take the sticks on the ground.
Say thank you, birds.
Oh, I am so happy.
Remember, when you feel good, you are happy. Everyone is happy now.
Happy!
When I'm angry, I feel bad. How do I take my anger away? When I'm angry, I try and laugh and play, and my anger goes away. When I'm angry, I think of happy days, and my anger goes away. When I'm angry, I cry and wait, and my anger goes away. And my anger goes away.
Akili. Oh, Akili's mother is calling her. It's time for Akili to find the rainbow so that she can go home.
Let's go to the rainbow. Let's run, run, run. Let's run, run, run. Let's run, run, run.
Look, the rainbow! What does the word cloud want Akili to do today? How can it make you feel when someone takes something from you?
Angry! Angry!
Yes, that's right, Akili. The word cloud wants us all to say the word bird together.
Bird! Bird!
Well done! Now the last word. What is the word for feeling really good inside?
Happy! Happy!
Yes! Great job!
Yay! Bye, friends! Bye, Akili!
Oh, Akili is awake and her baby brother is still crying. Akili has an idea. Akili tells her mother to give baby brother a banana. Maybe that will make him happy. It works! Akili made her brother happy. Akili's mother is also happy and gives Akili and her baby brother a hug. They all get ready for a new day. Akili knows that when she falls asleep, she will go back to Lala Land to meet her new friends and learn new words.
Hey, 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 it's the letter of the day. But which letter shall we choose today? Letter Z, Z, Z. Letter Z, Z, Z. Show me the letter Z.
Wow! Letter Z!
Letter Z has made a flower grow. I wonder what else he will grow in the garden today. Oh dear, there are no flowers here. Aha! But letter Z has some seeds to plant. Letter Z wants to plant a special letter Z flower. Kids, can you help letter Z to find the letter Z seed? Which seed has the letter Z on?
That one!
Yes, you found the letter Z seed. Letter Z is ready to plant his flower now. Look, kids, the flower is growing. That's right. This flower has the letter Z on.
Letter Z!
Kids, do you hear that sound? Look! Bees! They must be looking for the flowers. Oh no! The bees can't find the flowers. Great idea, letter Z. Kids, let's call the bees to the flowers. Say zzz. Even louder, kids. He's the last letter, letter Z. He says zzz, like the bees. He's the last letter, letter Z. It doesn't get better than letter Z. Oh! Letter Z has got something else to show us. Wow! There are 3 trees here. I bet one of these trees would make a perfect home for our friends the bees. But which one?
Letter Z!
Yes! Let's choose the tree with the letter Z on. Kids, point at the tree with the letter Z on.
That one!
Great job, kids! You found the letter Z tree. But the letter Z tree is all the way over here. How will the bees find it? Ah, yes! We can draw a path for them. Kids, get your fingers ready. Where do we start? Aha! We start at the top. Then we go across the top and down to the corner and across the bottom. Letter Z. Great job, kids. And look, the path looks just like letter Z.
Again!
Yes, let's draw it again. Get your fingers ready. We start at the top. Then we go across the top and down to the corner and across the bottom. Letter Z. The bees haven't spotted our path. Let's call them as loud as we can. Kids, say zzz, zzz, zzz. Even louder, kids. Zzz. Well done, kids. You helped the bees find the tree. And now they have made a hive. And what do they make inside their hive?
Honey!
Ah, good idea, letter Z. You can give a jar of honey to each of your letter friends. We don't want to forget any letters. Kids, can you help letter Z to remember all the letters of the alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Wow! You did it, kids! You know all the letters of the alphabet. It's time for letter Z to take the honey back to his letter friends.
I am letter Z. I make the sound Z.
Today, Bush Baby wants to create something special. Look at that! I think you can make something just as beautiful as the flower. Bush Baby, how would you like to start? Oh, that's a great idea, Bush Baby. You can make a flower with your colorful papers. Take a look at the flower. Can you see a shape that looks familiar?
Circle!
Exactly. How do you want to make circles? Okay, that's a good idea. You can cut circles, but I think you'll have to draw first so you know where you're cutting. Wow, Bush Baby! You really know how to draw good circles. Now to the hard part. Let's cut exactly where you have drawn the circles. Slowly. Oh my, well done, Bush Baby. Now you can make your flower. That looks pretty, Bush Baby. But are you sure it looks like a flower? I think you might want to start by choosing what color you want to have in the middle. That's a good color. Put it in front of you. Yes, well done. Now take a look at the flower outside. Yes, that's good. And the next one? Well done! If you continue like this, your flower will look just like the one outside. Now that is starting to look like a flower, Bush Baby. You only have 2 circles left. Wow, look at that! It looks just like the flower outside. You're the best, Bush Baby.
Boop-de-doo! Flip 1, flip 2. I just love to count with you. Let's go!
Elephant has number 5. Elephant trumpet 5 times. Elephant jump 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cat has number 6. Cat meow 6 times.
Meow, 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 meow.
Cat jump 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dog has number 7. Dog barks 7 times. Dog jumps 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goat has number 8. Goat barks 8 times. Goat jump 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cow has number 9. Cow moo 9 times. Cow jump 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Chicken has number 10. Chicken clock 10 times. Chicken jump 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey kids, we can play together, and we can learn a new number. 11. Say hello to 11. Clap your hands 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again.
Hello there, kids. Today I'm going to read you a great story. Happy Hippo loves to read stories too. Today's story is How do fruits and vegetables grow? Papayas and avocados grow on trees, way too high to be reached by little me. Tomatoes grow on floppy vines, so sweet and juicy like this one of mine. Pumpkins and watermelons lie on the ground, so heavy they weigh many pounds. Spinach sprouts green leaves in long, neat rows. Eating lots of them helps us grow. Oranges grow with help from the sun. Picking and eating them is so much fun. Lemons grow like oranges, but their branches are prickly, so trying to pick them can be rather tricky. Bananas grow in a bunch and are so sweet. Once they turn yellow, they're ready to eat. Pineapples grow alone and never in pairs. With green leaves on top, they look like funky hair. Carrots and potatoes grow underground, hiding from the animals all around. Peppers, both orange and red, are fiery hot, so animals won't want to eat them a lot. Peanuts lie next to each other in a pod, in numbers that are both even and odd. Eat wonderful fruits and vegetables all day long. Nature has made them to make us healthy and strong. The end. Did you enjoy that? Until next time, bye!
Akili!
Help your toddler strengthen their mind with Akili's Find the Pair game. By trying to match picture cards, your toddler will improve their observation skills and develop persistence. Designed with kids in mind, Find the Pair is the perfect game to keep your child entertained while developing new skills. With 8 levels of difficulty, your child will never get bored and will always have new challenges to learn from. Plus, no reading or language skills are required to enjoy the game. Download Find the Pair for free today on the Play Store. Learn and play with Akili!
Hello, friends! Subscribe to learn letters, numbers,